Hello students, we've got the enrichment piece of Module 4, Day 2, some enrichment problems. It's still about finding the whole amount, okay? So in this example I got A and B. I want to represent, there are two types of percent problems, and I'm going to use a picture. And then you have exercise 3, which does go hand in hand with these. So exercise 3 is going to be like the two examples here, and then as we move forward, the independent practice is just a mix of problems that you'll continue to work on. So Nick currently has 7,200 points in his fantasy baseball league, okay, which is 20% more than Adam. How many points does Adam have? All right, so watch what my diagram is going to look like on this one. So I have my 100% piece of tape. All right, now watch what I'm going to do in this one. Nick has 7,200 points, which is 20% more than Adam. So I'm going to add a 20% block on, giving me a total of 120%. And the 120% is what Nick has. And Nick has 7,200. The 100% is what Adam has. And that's what we want to find. So watch how my proportion sets up on this one. I'm going to take 120%, because I added 20% to the original 100%, which represents Adam's, over 100 equals. Okay, the 7,200 is the 120. All right, we want to find what Adam has. So there's my proportion. So it's just a little bit tougher because I'm adding a step in where you're going to add 20% on. So we cross multiply, we divide. Okay, 7,200 times 100 divided by 120, and 6,000 points is what Adam has. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. Nick scored more, so Nick actually won the fantasy baseball league, 7,200 to 6,000. Right. In example B, example 3B, this one's a little bit different. Okay, Tom bought a set of skis for $375. It was 35% less than what Susie paid. How much did Susie pay? So now watch this. So I have my piece of tape that is 100%. Okay. 35% less.
Good afternoon. Fostering Hope is canceled for
I'm going to pause for 1 second. All right, sorry about that. I had to pause. The end of the day announcements came on. So all right, we're back to this. Tom paid 35% less than what Susie paid. It's like taking 35% off of hers. That means that Tom really paid 65%. So he bought his skis for $375. So Tom was 65%. Susie is the whole amount, the 100%. The 375 represents what Tom bought the skis for, and he bought it for less than what Susie paid. And that's typical. I mean, somebody buys something, you're going to resell it. Usually, you're going to end up, after you use it for a while, you're going to end up selling it for less. So we multiply, we divide. So 375 times 100 divided by 65. And she paid $576.92. Didn't come out very nice, but that's all right. That happens from time to time.
Hannah Debate, please report to the main office. Hannah Debate, please report to the main office.
And another announcement. All right. So from here, this is the end of the video. You have exercise 3, do A, B, and C, and then you have the independent practice. So this is Mr. Sims saying peace out.